pages together, uh, we at least saw how you can be able to create HTML files in the templates folder, and also how you can be able to place CSS files in the static folder. So we may want now to see how we can be able to link two HTML pages together using the a tag. So like now here in the body tag, you can introduce your a tag. Then from there, we now get the other attributes. Of course, you can start with the home, and then now there's an attribute called href for the a tag. So this is where we are going to type the link of the connector. But now in Flask, we do it a bit different. You have to introduce some curly brackets here, the placeholder. Then now you use the function URL for function, and then now you supply the path, the function that is expected to execute when you click home. So if you go to main, you may find that for home page, we are using this function called index. Then that is what you need to supply here. Index, that's the function. So you can have another one more link, and then now from there you just get the new function for the about us page, which is abt. So you can have abt here. So let me have abt, and of course now this one will be about us page, about something like that. So you can link, or rather you can have that in both uh, files. Of course, now when you click home, you should be taken to index function, and then the index function should take you to index.html. When you click about us, you should be taken to abt function, then the abt function should take you to about.html. So let's run the application and see whether the link is working. Run, then click this, and of course now you have home here with you, you have about us, so our links are working. So what is left maybe is just a few styling. You can just of course, if you have linked your HTML files with the CSS, then that is not a big deal. Like me, I linked with a file called bootstrap that is in the folder CSS. Here it is. So for this case, I will just introduce the bootstrap classes. So I'll say class equals btn, then btn primary. So I just need that, and of course my buttons will behave. So something like that. Class a tag class equals btn primary, btn primary. Then you should have gotten something like this. Where was that? Where was my link? Let me just run it. Oh yeah, here it is. So refresh and see. There you go. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next class.